The Buick Regal's first drive home. This is an 83 Buick Regal, and we got caught in a big rainstorm. As you can see, we got water dripping all over the place. And it's funny because right before we left, we saw the guy applying silicone all over the windshield, so we knew things were not looking good. As we got home, we peeled the carpet back and we saw the floor was filled with rust. So me and my brother, we have a collections of videos coming out where we are trying to restore the Buick Regal and even throw in a V8 engine. So I'm gonna leave it here where you guys can see we take out the floor pan off the Regal. We're gonna purchase a brand new one, get it in there, weld it out, and have this thing back on the road.
So just a little backstory to the Buick Regal. We picked it up over a year ago and we really started to crank out work on this car. We removed the motor, we removed the transmission, we removed the drive shaft and the rear axle, and also we completely dropped the front and the rear suspension, and we completely gutted the whole interior because we're going to do a color change on it. It was like a nasty brown and everything was just very old and smelly, so we're going to completely revamp the whole interior. And also for the powertrain, we're going to put a V8 in there. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to go with a junkyard LS motor, a 5.3 or a 6.0, or even go old school and put in a 350 small block or a 355 or something of that nature. So to upgrade this car to a V8, we will need to put in a new transmission, new drive shaft, new rear axle, and everything should come into play with putting all this in here. This is going to be one badass car, and I am extremely excited to get this thing on the road and go for a nice drive. So hopefully we'll get there sooner than later, but follow along for this journey, for this car build. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I enjoy working on this car. There's a bunch of battles, but hey, we'll get through it, and just put your mind to it, set your goals, and you'll be able to accomplish whatever you want. So we really want this Regal on the road, so we'll catch you guys on the next video.